Hello guys, come let's introduce our teammates and the product that we are going to install for this site. Let's go.
ऑलरेडी हमने पुराना वाला कैमरास रिमूव कर दिया है.
Now we are in Channapatna at Coconut Grove for an installation of 13 cameras. We are doing a underground piping, which is HDPV pipe for specifically for the indoor cablings. Like we said before, we are using a 4MP IP outdoor camera. The specialty in this camera is it supports a vibrant color in a low light condition. That means even when we are in a low light condition, it automatically switches to color mode. So we are not at all getting a grainy black and white images. So it gives a vibrant full color mode. So it is very good for the farmhouse security level. We truly set apart at Yendra Techno Solution is our team. They are not only as a skilled professionals, they are also very good at professionalism, because as every aspect of the installation you are getting the professional precision and unveiling quality to the from initial to end of the installation, and you are getting a good support from us.
To manage all the incredible footage, we installed this 16-channel AcuSense NVR from Hikvision. The installation is successfully completed. For any CCTV security solution for home stays, restaurant, resort, farmhouse, please contact us.